Everything has its wonders, even darkness and silence. Helen Keller. We begin with a question as old as thought itself. How will it all end? For thousands of years, humans have looked to the night sky and seen eternity. Stars seemed unchanging, the heavens eternal. But now we know the truth. Nothing lasts forever. Our story is not just about the universe, it's about us. About our tiny window of existence in the vast theater of time. A story that stretches from the birth of stars to the cold silence after their final death. For now, we live in the Anthropocene, the age of humans. Never before has a single species reshaped a planet so quickly. Our fingerprints cover the atmosphere, oceans, and land. Cities glow brighter than the stars. Forests vanish in decades. The atmosphere thickens with greenhouse gases. The climate bends under our weight. And yet we also build telescopes that gaze billions of years into the past. We send machines to the edge of the solar system. We try to understand where we came from and where we are going. But compared to the cosmic timeline, our age is a breath, a flicker, and soon change will come. Our home is not stable. Earth is restless. Magnetic poles flip. Asteroids strike with planet-shattering force. Continents drift, collide, and break apart. Mountains rise, oceans shift, climates change. Once the Sahara was green. Once Antarctica had forests. Once giant impacts nearly sterilized the planet we know is only a chapter in an ever-changing book. But the greatest change lies with the sun itself. Right now, it shines steadily, fueled by the fusion of hydrogen into helium. But in 5 billion years, the fuel will run low. The sun will swell into a red giant, hundreds of times larger. Its heat will boil the oceans. Its light will strip the atmosphere. Earth will become uninhabitable. And then, in a final act of destruction, the sun will swallow our planet whole. After billions of years of brilliance, it will collapse into a white dwarf, a glowing ember the size of Earth, fading slowly into darkness. But the sun is only one star among hundreds of billions. Across the galaxy, stars are born, live, and die in endless cycles. Supernovae scatter the elements of life. Black holes are born, nebulas glow with fresh creation. But this cosmic dance will not last forever. Star formation will slow, the gas clouds that birth suns will be used up. Fewer new stars will rise, the galaxy itself will grow old. Billions of years from now, our Milky Way will collide with the Andromeda galaxy. For millions of years, stars will swirl together in a cosmic ballet until a new galaxy is born. But even this new giant will one day fade into silence. As trillions of years pass, stars burn out, white dwarfs cool into black dwarfs, frozen corpses of stars, red dwarfs, the longest living suns, finally flicker out. The skies dim, the universe enters the degenerate era. Only dead stars, neutron stars, and black holes remain. The night sky, once filled with light, becomes empty. In this dark age, black holes rule. They devour stars, swallow each other, and grow to unimaginable sizes. Some contain billions of suns worth of mass. Every merger sends out ripples in space-time. Gravitational waves, the last great fireworks of the cosmos. But even black holes are not eternal. Through Hawking radiation, they slowly leak energy, shrinking over unimaginable Timescales. A supermassive black hole may take 10,100 years to evaporate, but eventually it too will vanish in a final flash. The universe's greatest monsters will be gone. And then comes silence. With no stars, no light, and no heat, the universe becomes cold and empty. Atoms decay. Black dwarfs crumble. Matter itself may fall apart into radiation. The cosmos stretches wider and wider, pushed by dark energy, until galaxies vanish beyond the cosmic horizon. The universe is left in eternal darkness. And yet, is this truly the end? Some theories suggest that from this vast nothingness, new universes may bud. Quantum fluctuations may spark fresh Big Bangs, or perhaps universes are born within black holes branching endlessly. Our universe might be one link in an eternal chain, an infinite cycle of death and rebirth. If so, then the end is also a beginning. We exist in a fragile instant between two eternities, the birth of the universe and its death. For a brief moment we are here, alive, able to see the stars, able to wonder. And though the universe may end in silence, we for now can give it meaning. Everything has its wonders, even darkness and silence. And I learn, whatever state I may be in, therein to be content. Helen Keller.